The Husqvarna Fe250 is the perfect enduro machine. Assembled with quality, race-tested components, this exceptional model ensures racers and recreational riders alike can take advantage of its unrivaled performance. Its compact engine delivers a linear spread of power for confidence-inspiring rideability, especially through technical sections, while advanced electronics allow for a personalized setup. The 250cc 4-stroke engine is also very light, tipping the scales at just over 27.8 kg. Features a 42mm Keihin throttle body optimized for throttle response. Cylinder head diamond-like carbon (DOHC) coating. The DOHC cylinder head is engineered for high-level enduro performance. An 81mm bore cylinder houses a forged bridged box-type piston made by CP. Cooling system manufactured from high-strength aluminium. The radiators are engineered using Computational Fluid Dynamics (CFD). The black anodized, CNC machined triple clamps offer premium quality as standard. 48mm suspension WPXACT closed cartridge spring forks offer consistent damping thanks to their innovative design. Inside each fork leg, lightweight springs with a polished finish enhance performance. The WPXACT rear shock features a Computational Fluid Dynamics (CFD) optimized main piston, ensuring superior initial comfort and predictable performance in all conditions. Frame. The chromium molybdenum chassis is finished with a premium, metallic blue powder coating. The finishing touches are the frame protectors, which not only protect the paintwork, but also provide riders with additional grip. The subframe offers exceptional strength and durability. Made from 60% polyamide and 40% aluminium. LED headlight. The LED headlight provides a remarkably bright light output for excellent visibility at night and is particularly effective when riding through dense woodland. The map select switch allows riders to easily choose between two FE maps, activates traction control, and engages the quickshifter. An 8-liter fuel tank integrates neatly with the ergonomic bodywork and features a robust rubber cushion beneath it to hold the tank in place and protect the frame from wear. The new, high-performance Brembo hydraulic clutch system guarantees even wear, near maintenance-free operation, and perfect action in every condition. Class-leading Brembo brake calipers, made from single pieces of aluminium for strength. With 260mm front and 220mm rear discs, both designed to prevent mud buildup. Wheels and tires. CNC machined hubs, strong spokes, and high-strength, black anodized alloy rims are used to assemble the wheels and complete with the latest Michelin tires. The swing arm is manufactured using a die-cast production process and designed with a calculated level of rigidity. Footrest. Using state-of-the-art computational fluid dynamics, the large footrests are designed for maximum control and to prevent mud from building up. The ergonomic bodywork was designed to ensure that riders can perform at their best throughout every race. This was achieved through extensive testing, with the smooth contact points in the rider triangle allowing racers to grip the machine tightly with their legs, reducing fatigue. Featuring in-mold graphics contribute to the progressive appearance of the machine, while a tall, wide seat offers unrestricted movement. A high-grip seat cover also helps keep riders securely in place under hard acceleration.